Alright, let's put the camera into manual focus. Oh, it's pulling it out. It's actually pulling it out. It kind of breaks right when you want it to not break, but boy, that's pulling it. Maybe it's not it's a dent. Call it a dent improver more than a dent remover. It improves your dents. It don't remove them. Let's pull it till failure. Ooh. Putting a little bit on does seem to work alright. Boy, that one's held good. Oh, this one's pulling this one out. So here's our little turbo turd. This is a car. We just picked it up for $1,700. Picked it up because it's turbo and it's a tow. It's a manual, so we can tow it, you know, 4 down, flat tow, whatever you want to call it. We paid $1,700. Got 80,000 miles. It's a 2003 PT Cruiser GT with a turbo. So let's see what we can do with this. If you see, there's dents on this side. There isn't any dents on the other side. Let's go start at this back dent and see what we can do. All right, here we are, attempt number 2. Hot glue puller, $15 for Harbor Freight. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Oh. Yeah, definitely pulled it out some there. No, that chemical softened up the glue. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's way small. It's still there. But I'm gonna keep trying with this other one, I guess.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are enjoying this video, and just to let you know, for $15 you can't beat it. It's gonna be worth a try no matter what. It's only gonna improve your dents a little bit, so go ahead and get that dent puller from Harbor Freight. It's a great try. Hope you guys are enjoying this project, and as you can see, I've got a lot going on with sanding here. We're gonna touch up, paint, and clear coat this bad boy. Make sure you check out our other videos. We've got tons of videos on rock hounding. We just got back from traveling the entire United States. We did 22 states, over 12,000 miles. We've been everywhere. We got videos in Glacier, Yellowstone, the Sierras. Check them out. They're really cool, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.